You're my favorite twin. I'm saying you and me. Hi, kid. Good morning, everyone. Nasaan ka pa na sa vacation po? Hi, honey. Hi, Laika. Miss you. I'm just waiting for my drink and my food. Are you happy for Ate Seb? Of course I am happy with her. Sana gumising na siya nang makapag-jet ski na kami. Tulog pa siya, day. Yeah, I am in vacation with Ate Zainab and Popsy Ray. Pwede, dun ka nga aga-aga eh. Ang ina eh. Sinsira mo kumaga ko. Miss you, bro. What you mean? What you mean? Si ano ba to? Hi! Invite natin siya, guys. Wala to, guys. I-decline niya to. Siya ba to?
Hello po.
Hello! Asaan ka?
Sino ang guys?
Asan ka?
Sino muna ako? Sino ako? Sino muna ako?
Ano?
Sino ako?
Ano?
Sino ako?
Ano?
Sino ako?
Hindi ko alam. Wait lang. Si
Okay,
Thea.
guys.
Wait lang,
Tatayin
wait
na.
lang. Aalalahanin ko yung pangalan mo.
Sino?
Si Chloe, tsaka si Tay Tay. Hindi, si Tay Tay. Ano nga yung love team mo?
Ano yun?
Sino nga yung love team mo? Althea. Ayun, si Kenan. Okay. It's okay, sis. It's okay.
Tatayin
Kenan.
mo na ako, guys. Tatayin mo na ako.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Sorry, nakalimutan. Kasi Kenan. Si Kenan. I'm alive. So this is my sissy. Yeah.
Yes.
Sissy
You
Soler.
carry what? The Park Day.
Yes.
Yes. And you're from where, baby?
LA.
Yes. I love it.
Sorry, Kenan. Ken Aura. Apple ka, Rydel. Kalimutan ka, sorry. Asan si ate? Tulog pa. Yeah. She's a sister of Daddy Ray Parks. Gago, kalimutan ko yung name ni Kenan. Sinabi yan ni Rydel kasi hindi ako pinafollow ni Kenan eh. Bakit niya alam na ka-live ako? No, si Franz nanonood din, no? Nakahubad ako, guys.
Yes, it's giving body. It's giving bad beats. It's giving, ooh, yes. Yes.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So have a friend like Celine.
I'm the high tea. Yes.
Yeah, oh.
No. Wait, see here.
Si Franz naman ang paakitin natin. Puta, umalis ata. What's up? Ang ganda. Oh yeah, of course. Moana. Hi babe. Hi Bryce. I miss you. Moana with the chopped lips. Look at those dry lips, bitch. So dry. What a frick. Hey, vacation mode. Yeah, vacation mode. I miss you, Brady sis. I miss you, sis. She loves Tomaz. Oh, you love Tomaz. Hi. Kasama mo sila sa yeah. Hi, Aura from Capiz. Hi, everyone from Capiz. What's up? Hi, Zafra. You guys, I love the weather so much. Look at the weather. It's not vlog. We're on vacation mode, you all. Which language is this? Puerto Rico. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is unstable. Ooh. Kasama mo si Sabia. Aloha from Hawaii. Hi! I'm in Hawaii right now. Real freckles. It does look real. San Silantis, nagbabandaw na. Miss seeing you on television. Yeah. I also miss seeing myself at television. Hi, Raven. Sa Vineyard kayo, Mia. We are here at the Vineyard. What happened to your face? Nothing happened to my face. It's just a filter. Punta ka Talisay, Batangas. More swing. Oh, it's you. You didn't DM me. Are you going back to Quezon tomorrow? Huh? Nandiyan pa. Wait, I'm just gonna switch my connection. Ano ba yan? Uuwi na ako mamaya, oh. Huwag ka na muna umuwi. Yeah, sa Las Piñas pa rin po. I'll try to go live on TikTok, y'all.